We posted this video because lots of people were commenting to our first video, like, please do a forward walkover tutorial. So we decided to do it, and we really appreciate that you guys liked and subscribed to our channel because of the first video. So let's get started.
I'm super excited. The forwards walkover is one of my favorite gymnastics exercise.
Let's start!
Yay!
So guys, before we do the tutorial, first we need to warm up. So guys, it's really important for your legs and back and your arms to be stretched.
So first we're gonna start with the splits.
So we're gonna do the 2 side splits and then the middle split.
We're gonna show you. That's the first stamp.
When you're really good at handstand, then you will probably fall into a bridge, but that's not a problem. That's your aim, and you have to do that. So you're gonna fall into a bridge. Now we'll show you.
That's the second step.
It's not the correct way. You need to do it good, but it's not a big deal, don't worry. And now you can go to a bridge and then get up. You can try the forward walkover with closed legs because that's the easier way. So let's try it.
It's not the correct way. Are you alright? Oh my God!
But if you still can do it, you should have a helper, so she can help do it. Good. So if you did that, then you can try the forward walkover. So first you're gonna put your hands on the ground and then try to kick one of your leg as high as you can. But if you did that, then your other leg's gonna come up. Then instead of closing your legs, do a big split. And when you did that, then put one of your legs on the ground and then put the other one too, and then just try to come up.
And now you can try faster. Forget to practice a lot. Practice, practice, practice all day.
So did you get your front walkover? Comment down below right now. And if you liked the video, thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel down below and turn the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Bye!
Your middle name. Oh, I know you're no good, but you're stuck in my brain. Nobody's judging who you love. time, girl. Oh, tell 'em. My soul is broken.